Anyway, this is our backyard. Why? Because it's our backyard. And this is our barn. It's a great barn. And I will show you something else. Here's our house. Our house was built in the 1800s, around the time of the Underground Railroad. It's a great place. That is our dog. This is my dog, Doc. He's a very wild dog. Oh, come on. That's our mom. She's a very good mom. And there's Dad eating. There's Dad eating a fried egg sandwich. It's probably his age.
He has learned how to make digital movies on his camera and download them onto the computer and put them on the disk. He's in camera heaven today.
Good, then I have to see some.
Yeah.
Can we have some more butter?
Alright.
I only do this thing at once.
I know. And you choose to do
Candles.
that. You complain about it.
Here we have a dragon. Dad bought this at a shop in Long Beach Island years ago. He was a young man. And that's our grandfather. Or somebody.
I will, instantly. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Do I look fat?
That's Bobby
Yeah.
Ehrlich, the governor.
He films and then he puts it on the computer.